I have something for you.
Something for me?
Try this.
Oh.
Jump, Aaron, jump! Jump! What? Why?
It's only for jumping, it's not a bicycle.
Okay. Let me think. Oh, I have idea. What about this ride on?
Yes! Wow, unicorn scooter.
Let's ride, Ariana. Go! Go, Ariana, go! Yeah, Ariana, go, go!
Daddy, it's too slow. I want a big one, not a small one slow.
Okay, wait here. Try this.
Sorry, Daddy. It's too late and too fast.
I have to go for a bicycle.
I'm ready for the new bicycle.
I did it!
Do you like it? Wow! Aaron, nice bicycle! Let's go outside with our bicycles! I like it!
Let's race! Two, one, go!
I am the winner! I am the cutest winner! Subscribe! Can you ride the bike without turning wheels? Whee! Like! Yes, Adria! I can! Okay, show me! Yeah, but I can't sit on it! Ariana, it's not riding without wheels. What to do? So fun!
Ariana? What happened, Ariana?
How to ride my new bike without training wheels?
Don't worry, Ariana. I will teach you.
Yay! Let's go!
First rule, helmet.
I have.
Second rule, balance.
Okay, watch me.
Idea.
Huh?
I will show you. Like a surfer.
Like a surfer. Subscribe.
Like a surfer.
Oh yeah, like a surfer. Daddy, I have the balance. Look at me.
The third rule, looking straight, no stopping.
Okay, like ballet. 1, 2, 3. I like it. I'm a ballerina and I can do gymnastics. Cute and straight. Okay. Oh yeah.
Well done, Ariana. Let's practice it more.
Daddy, I am ready! Yay! Let's go! 1, 2.
She's so good. She's so good.
Yes, I did it. I ride my bike. This is my bike. Stop. Stop. The cable fell on me. Subscribe to this channel, Adria and Ariana. See you next time. Bye. Yes, I can do it. I'm a racer. I like bowling. Okay, I knocked all of them. Bowling? I will help you to win. Cool. You can't ruin it. It's not fair. Go, go. I will be back. This is the right way how to play bowling. Woo! Yay! One. Huh? Look, Ariana, we can do it like that. Oh, no, 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 no. It's a bad idea. Stop, Ariana. I just want to be with you and you're not sharing. I didn't know, Adria. I will share. Be together. See, games are more fun if you share. Yeah! Roll, roll, roll the boat gently down the street. Hey, we did it! I like it. What can we do? Let's call Daddy for help. Yes!
Run! Idea!
Super genius!
Wee, 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 wee. Cool.
Yay!
Woo, 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 woo.
Awesome!
I did it!
Help!
Wee, wee, wee. One more.
Yay! Teamwork saved the day! Yay! Let's share with Daddy!
Run!
We did it! We did it! Teamwork! 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 Woo, woo, woo.
Ooh la la! Daddy, stop! It's not teamwork! Subscribe! Awesome! Red! Next color! Left, right, forward!
I have solution.
What?
Controller.
What happened to my car? Uh-oh.
Come. Left, right, turn. Oopsie.
Run!
You guys, hey!
Run!
Adria, ask permission before you take something. It's very important. Nothing in the green. What about yellow? See, Adria, don't take anybody's stuff. Yippee! Let's go! Right! So many surprise eggs. They're all mine. Adria? Ariana! Please, give me! No, they are mine! Okay, I will share. Thank you, Adria. Yay, thank you! Now let's open it. Wow! Pink for you. Thank you, Adria. Adria loves Bella. Yippee! Come on! Subscribe! I have one! Me too! Let's ride a bike. I like it! Ariana, help me! Help! Uh-oh. Help me! For your safety! Okay, now I know, Adria. I want green and yellow! Hacha! Yay! Safety first! Let's ride! Bye! Uh-oh.